Oh, hey, you made it for a bonus session. This is on captions. Now, if you have Premiere Pro 15.4 or higher, which I do not have, by the way, if you go to Help and About, it will tell what version you have. Mine goes over on my other screen, so I can't show it to you, but I have 15.0. Well, at 15.4, they added a new cool effect for captioning. But if you have a previous version, you likely have a Captions workspace at the top. On the newest version, there's a button at the top that will literally take your audio and transcribe it for you. Like magically just do it for you, which is amazing. So it'll add your captions at the bottom and you don't have to do anything. You can still do it manually in this other version. You tell it that you're going to create a caption track, which adds a line down here at the bottom. So you say, all right, I want it to be a subtitle, you know, whatever. And you hit OK. And then down here at the bottom, let me scroll up just a tad. You're going to see I have a line way up here that says subtitle. See that where it says subtitle? And then you hit the plus sign and you add new captions to segments of your audio. So sometimes life is hard. Okay, that lasts from there to there. So I just drag this caption box. And then up here where it says new caption, I just put sometimes life is hard. And if you're one of those people who like types it all out before you actually record it, you already probably have it typed out anyway, right? And then you just hit play.
Sometimes life is hard. Dreary.
Dreary. So I can hit plus here. I can say dreary and then let it go.
Dreary. Lonely.
All right, so lonely. So dreary doesn't need to go quite that long. And you can decide, you know, where you want it to stop. Lonely here. Hit plus. Lonely. For example.
Empty.
All right, back it up a little. Empty. And you get the gist of it. It's really that simple. That's it. That's all you got to do. And you can still edit those. You can edit them in that caption area or over here on the right in the essential graphics. You can choose a style if you make a style for it so that all the captions are in a bigger font or whatever. You know, you can set all of that stuff ahead of time. But then it's just going to show right there at the bottom. It's like super simple. So again, if you type out your stuff to record narration anyway, and you've already got it, you just literally copy and paste it and then adjust where those boxes begin and end. And then you'll have those automatically printed at the bottom. You won't have to worry about like transcribing captions the old-fashioned way. You'll just have actual subtitles showing at the bottom. So easy.